The manager of the Fijian 7's team, Isabella Nulkindi, the coach of the Fijian 7's team, Royal Gretin of Ret'd, Nisamo, the captain and players, members of the media and friends, ladies and gentlemen, Nisamo Lunak, and a very good morning and a warm greeting to you all. Ratatala na waleu na vituber wahalo wangawalo tangkuwa. For the spiritual words of wisdom that will guide the Fijian members of the team on their path of competitive rugby against the world's best rugby teams. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can all see, we are gathered here this morning on neutral ground, but it's only because we have some upgrading works in both the State House and the Boron House. Ni Bosota, sana mo isong uti na lumay doon na hotel. Unita ka may muri, yan nilay sumay sa doon talumin na ngolay walay ni. Sana na songwan na kena mo doon. Di na kandon na tagachikin na matalibig ka rin. Siya nakapabuto na katang may walew. Kituwaro tayo na Boron House. Kaya naman ni Ronaldo may Duke and Duchess of Sussex, kaya na-visaw na muna na pagbikin na meron tayo na rumula ni kaya sa nga kaya sa tusong ko ito nila kaya nagusak satu may song ito na naman ni hotel lang ang ko. Now I'm happy to advise that both premises will be ready soon and we can resume hosting national teams there. I especially look forward to hosting our national teams at the State House in the not-too-distant future. Now I wish to convey this morning to you all donations and my personal congratulations to all the players for your selection into the Fijian team that will represent Fiji during the first leg of the 2018-2019 Women's World 7 Series to be held in Denver, Colorado, from the 20th to the 21st of October 2018, as we've heard from your coach, Rondo Ret'd. Denver, Colorado. This time of the year, hopefully it should be warm because now it's a very cold place. Kita kanina siya rin matungtan ng Reiki. But I'm sure you know sarong ito naman. Now, your participation in the first leg of the series will set the tone for the rest of your games throughout the Women's World 7 Series competitions. This is only the beginning. I also wish to congratulate the new coach of the Fijian 7's team, Ratu nawalyaw na Umatu, nawalyaw na Vitukoni, nawalyaw na muni sasanga membalet na natutuloy ni Timi. The players will surely benefit from your vast experience as a former player and the captain of both the 7's and the Flying Fijians teams. Sa kalong at na manalawa na leo ni mata timi ni velita ki betul chungo bekem ni ando na turanga esa pata ki vitioti 7's patekena. So my advice to you ni warong pamnaka ni muri na kay tuni bekem ni. You were selected for a purpose, and I sincerely believe that with your technical expertise and knowledge, Fiji will excel in the sport of women's rugby both nationally and internationally. Now, having said that, I believe that the nation also owes the former national coach, Ilyasa Tanimula, who's not here with us, our sincere gratitude for his dedication towards laying the foundation for our women's 7's rugby players for some years up until recently when Rondo Ret'd took over. Now, under Mr. Taniwola, Fijian 7's team claimed 4th and 9th positions in the 2016-17, 2017-2018, respectively, in the HSBC World Series. Now, we can be sure that our current team will build on a foundation that was laid, and I'm happy to hear that our objective now is to endeavor to reach the top 4 in the first leg of the series. Top 4. It's going to be hard work. But it comes with a lot of satisfaction, in the end, when we triumph. So, well done on your part. Nothing is impossible if you put your mind and spirit in a game. You are playing with the high expectations of your families and all Fijians. Now, Fiji is a rugby-mad nation. When we win, we all rejoice. When we lose, we all commiserate. But like all good things, you have people who will win and those who will lose. But whether we win or we lose, we keep acknowledging and thanking God. But with all the prayers and all the good wishes of the nation, I have no doubt that you will excel. To the captain, Serema Lenigila. Kamini, Serema. Good. And all the players, I wish to convey to you all the nation's best wishes for a resoundingly successful outing. Be assured that our prayers and good wishes are with you. Fly our national flag with pride and be great ambassadors of our beloved nations. Always remember that you're representing Fiji. Whether playing on or off the field, you go and carry the flag with pride, with the knowledge that we are all behind you. Now, and congratulations once again for being selected with the team, and may Almighty God continue to bless you and our nation.